89.5
My Super Bay Radio.
Worldwide.
Konsulta pang medisina. Konsulta pang medisina.
Starring
Dr. Husai. Dr. Husai. Dr. Husai. Dr. Noel Husai. Laksamana.
89.5 FM, My Subic Bay Radio. Another Thursday morning, another Konsulta pang medisina. And to introduce our guest doctor for today, of course, ang ating regular doctor every Thursday morning, Dr. Noel Husay, Laksamana.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat ng mga kaibigan nating nakatune in ngayong umaga. Ang ating panauhin ngayong umaga ay isang dalubhasa sa kidneys. Isa po siyang nephrologist and she needs no further introduction kasi ilang beses na rin po natin siya nagiging guest dito at saka siya ay isang popular na nephrologist dito sa ating lugar. Let me introduce Dr. Beverly Aguila. Doctora, good morning po.
Good morning po, Doctor. Good morning, DJ. And I would like to thank Dr. Laksamana and Subic Bay 89.5 for this another privilege of disseminating information because as you may know, I would like to inform everybody that today, March 12 to 14, we are celebrating World Kidney Day. Okay, World Kidney Day. So this time of the year, it is our advocacy, no? Our we as nephrologists, actually hindi lang po nephrologist doctor parang pinopromote na rin namin lahat to be aware about kidneys,
Kidney
no?
health,
Kidney health, no? Not just about kidney disease, anything about kidneys to promote kidney
Doktora,
health.
invite natin sila mag-participate sa ating show ngayon.
Opo.
You can join us.
Please call us
Or
or
text.
text us.
Pwede kayo mag-text dito
Opo, sa number
ito.
na i-announce ni Doctor.
Our number is 0920-90-99937. Kanina pa, ilan na yung dumating na text dito? Doc, wala pa kayo. We're a bit late kasi we're meeting with these guys from SBMA then. And they're the solar guys. Mr. Ben at saka si Mr. Ricky. They are introducing solar energy to Our Lady of Lourdes.
Wow.
Sana maging successful yung venture. I think we're in for the sun kasi wala na tayong iba makukuha na ng power
Fossil
Just the sun,
fuel
everything comes from the sun. So you can text us, ask us, tanungin po natin si Doktora yung mga ating mga katanungan tungkol sa ating mga bato, ating mga kidneys.
Since, Doctor, with your kind permission again, since this is World Kidney Day, syempre I would like to dedicate this program to all our beloved patients, no? And also to our partners in providing care for them, especially our dialysis nurses, sa lahat ng dialysis unit, our partners, kasi without them, we cannot take care of our patients very well. Kasi alam niyo naman, Doctor, kaming nephrologists, very, very limited sa buong mundo. Kaya we have to have partners who are equally as efficient as we are so that we can provide the best care that we can offer. So please text if you have questions. No? Thank you po.
So, Doktora, before the questions, tanungin natin,
Opo.
ano ang program ng what's this, Nephro Society of the Philippines?
Opo.
Anong mga activities niyo?
Bali, ngayon pong World Kidney Month, 12 to 14, buong mundo po yun, Doctor. Talagang every year, meron po kaming theme. And today, and this year, the theme is to promote drinking water. Kaya, if you have friends na mga nephrologists sa inyong Facebook, siguro you would wonder, lahat kami may hawak na basong tubig. We promote, yes. Because sabi ko nga...
Mag-inuman tayo.
Inuman ng tubig. Kasi sabi ko nga, di ba dati, Doktor, ang kidney, napakasimple lang ng gusto tubig. Ayaw ng maalat. So, this year, we are promoting water intakes. Napakasimple, tubig, no? Malinis na tubig. Then the society, the Philippine Society of Nephrology is also advising us, we as nephrologists nga dito sa buong Pilipinas, to make our own activities to promote kidney awareness, and one of which is like what we are doing
Yes,
now. We
which
are
is good, huh?
we
We're
are
reaching out.
We are
As far
reaching
as
out. We are
Pampanga,
yes.
this
Opo.
southern part of Pangasinan,
We are disseminating information kasi
Bataan, di ba?
yeah,
Butong.
opo, kasi
and China.
what we would like to do is to
Zambales is part of China na.
opo, promote prevention din eh,
Isip
di
niyo
ba?
ako dun.
Prevention ng mga kidney disease. Oo.
Yeah, oo.
Other than cure. Siyempre, prevention is still better than cure
Yes,
din, di ba?
always,
Kaya this is part of our advocacy. Kaya thank you po ulit for this opportunity kasi nirequest ko talaga 2 weeks ago lang, nandito na ako eh.
Doktora,
Yes.
oo.
Opo.
Meron tayong friend nakikinig ngayon. Ang
Opo.
tanong niya, how many cups of coffee can our kidneys tolerate? Kasi yung brother niya
Oo.
is undergoing dialysis because of diabetes
I
naman.
see.
And just like me, he drinks a lot of coffee and he lives nearby eh. Nandyan lang sa
Oo.
sa loob.
Actually-
Binanggit ni si Brother Roger, sabi niya,
Oo.
Brad, ilan bang pwede natin inumin na kape? Sandali, tatanong ko pagka-guest ko si Dr.
Oo.
Beverly ka.
Thank you po. Actually, tulad po na sabi ko nga kanina, as much as possible, gusto lang talaga ng kidney water eh. So if you can avoid drinking mga colored beverages, much
Like,
better.
and,
So there is actually, kaya the answer to that question is actually the less, the better. So there is no actually limit, or we cannot say a minimum
cannot
of
set a
cup.
limit,
Yes,
oo.
so if you can minimize drinking colored beverages, the better, because hindi po gusto ng kidney ng maraming
Nililinis.
Oo,
Kasi
nililinis.
especially mga colas, di ba?
Yes, oo. And I'm not singling out coffee for that matter, no? Like, iba rin yung mga teas, mga juice, ganyan. But if you cannot really avoid drinking coffee, siguro, you minimize it siguro once, 1 cup a day lang.
Probably you
diba?
can augment it with water.
Water na lang.
So, inom ka ng
Instead
kape,
of
tas-
coffee. Oo.
Reaction
Coffee
ko
is
sana.
good,
Ano
I
po,
cannot-
yun nga po i-react ko sana.
Kaya-
Ay.
Kaya, alam mo, doktor, kaya nga
I
alam
try to match it up na lang with a cup full of coffee, 3 glasses of water. Sige. Okay, siguro pwede yun.
Oo.
Kasi-
Pero actually, hindi rin ganun eh. It adds
Adds
it
load.
lowers the load of pa rin eh. Kasi maski na sabi mo, 3 cup ng kape, 3 ganun pa rin, di ba?
So,
well, yes.
Ay.
So it would be
Brother-
best that you minimize drinking
Roger, it's,
colored beverages if you want to, protect your kidneys from ang complication kasi ng too much solutes. Kasi syempre, bakit ba ayaw ng kidney ng mga beverages na ganyan? Kasi may mga solutes yun eh. Ano yun? Mga maasin, ganyan. Hindi siya pure, hindi water. So, ang nagiging po niyan, risk to develop kidney stones. Yung tawag ko nga dyan, mga diamante sa kidney na walang value. Ang dami po, opo. Kaya lately in our practice, siguro sa inyo rin po, doktor, ang mga pasyente namin ngayon, I'm an adult nephrologist. When you say adult nephrologist,
Above 18 ka na.
above 18.
Oo.
But sometimes,
Kahit mukhang 16 pa lang si Dr.
ay, yun nga, irony ng doktor nakisama. No, but, kidding aside, usually, I always encounter some patients go to me, mga as young as, for example, 17, 16. But of course, I cannot handle them. I refer them to the pediatric nephrologist because there's also a nephrologist sa mga pediatrics, no? But ang unfortunate for that fact is that the age group of our patients is becoming young and young because of the lifestyle that we have today. Yun. Kaya water.
Yeah, water.
You drink water and avoid
Yeah.
salt.
Si Dina is a runner and I think yung mga nabanggit ni Dr. answered your question
Yes.
kasi I take Gatorade right after.
Running.
Oo, and sometimes ginagawa ko na siyang agua tiempo. Meaning agua tiempo is water.
Okay.
Water time. No.
oo. But since
Gatorade, huh?
but
Gatorade
she's a runner, doc. So
She is, oh.
so I mean, if you run, of course
You lose
you
solutes,
perspire, nagpapawis. You also lose electrolytes in your
Running.
running through perspiration. That's why that can be ano naman, that it is a replacement. But of course, you do not
Overdo
make
it.
you do not make the
Gatorade,
juice, the
oo.
Gatorade, a substitute for water.
Oo.
You
Agua
still
Tiempo.
drink water, no?
Agua Tiempo is water time.
Agua Tiempo. Ngayon ko lang po na.
It's a common expression.
Agua Tiempo.
Doc,
yes.
may medical documentary ako na-encounter a few years ago about importante din daw po yung sa tap water na hindi talaga totally, di ba, ngayon, nowadays, gusto natin totally nasasala talaga lahat eh. Merong process na kung tawagin tayo, distilled water talaga.
Yes, oo.
Pero may mga certain amount of magnesium na kailangan din daw ng katawan. Kaya, kumbaga, which is normal sa tap water that we need also. So, how about that?
Yes. Actually, about water, there's no really recommended na dapat ganito yung... the kidneys would really require clean water. The electrolytes will be coming from... Yung mga electrolytes,
Yeah po,
yun yung mga sodium, potassium,
okay.
magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, from the food.
Okay.
Yes. So the water, kumbaga, the water is H2O. Yun lang, water.
That's it.
That's it.
There
So
you
it
go.
is the kidney's responsibility to
balance
handle, to balance the electrolytes. And we do not require the water, dapat ganito. Water is H2O. Water. Yun lang. Kaya, I'm sorry to say, pero ito hindi naman tiyatang, but since this is part of an information campaign,
Yes,
this
po.
is World Kidney Day, that's why yung mga alkaline water, not that I'm against about it.
Yeah.
It is not a necessity actually.
Ayun,
You do
okay.
not need to alkalinize or to make the water basic. You
Yeah.
change the pH of the
Actually,
water.
the kidneys
Yes.
does this work.
Yes.
Yung pH carrying na
Yes, oo.
pH balancing.
Oo.
na.
So, there is no truth that, the water should be
It's alkaline.
alkalinized. No. You just need a clean water, potable water, clean water at that. So that you will prevent developing what they call stones. And syempre, I'm stressing the word clean because if you drink dirty or unpurified
Given,
water, makaka-diarrhea ka naman, gastroenteritis.
Talking about water,
Yes, Doc.
di ba nausungin yung purified water na dinideliver
Opo.
ng bote?
Yes, Doc.
Pero alam mo ba, doktora, na
Opo.
ako lumaki ako sa tubig na iniinom kong tubig, tap water lang.
Tap water
Tap
lang.
meaning hindi nasa taas kundi yung galing sa gripo. TAP.
TAP. Actually, when
Yeah.
I was when
it's-
I was still young, we used to drink
So,
water. Pero
di ba sabi nila yung sabi nila for safety reasons, pero
Oo.
I think the government will not allow water to go to reach your home na hindi siya
Exactly,
malinis Kanya lang,
but I mean, because doctor, time have changed. Times have changed. I mean, because of the environmental problems that we have, we cannot really assure. I mean,
hindi natin matatrust
hindi-
yung tubig na
yes,
nanggagaling sa
mahirap pa po kasi.
faucet. Oo.
I mean, siguro, the source is clean, but the problem is siguro
pipe delivery,
the pipe delivery, di ba? You cannot really, be assured of its cleanliness. That's why I am for
Purified
drinking
water pa rin.
purified water or mineral water. Basta it's clean. If your source of water is, you're assured that it is really, really clean, no? Then by all means, you can take that. But if you are not really sure about its bacteriology content, doctor, then, I mean, it's very hard to develop diarrhea. Mahirap magtae. Mahirap. Kaya siguro po ng mga unang panahon talaga na hindi pa polluted ang ating environment.
Yeah, medyo sure po kayo
Yes, oo.
Doc, madalas tinatanong sa akin, purified or distilled, alin mas maganda sa dalawa? Based dun sa nabanggit ninyo, basta
Oo. Kasi,
Basta malinis.
Basta malinis, no? Kasi ang kailangan na naman ng kidney, yung water. Tama po si Doctor. Yung kidneys na yung bahala to do the balancing act
trabaho na
about
niya.
the electrolytes. Yes.
And ito, Kutang ask a question about how much kidney? Is it true na 1/4 lang po ng kidney is enough to make you survive?
I see.
Ang pakigreet naman po. This is Ronaldin.
I see.
Nakikinig po palagi.
Oo.
Yeah, okay, Ronald.
Ang ganito, ang trabaho ng dalawang kidney, dapat 100% normally. 90% pataas. Ngayon, pag ang trabaho ng kidney ay mas mababa sa 90%, meron ka ng tinatawag na kidney insufficiency o tama, kompromiso ang iyong trabaho ng kidney. Kaya ng tao na hindi pa mangailangan ng tulong ng substitute or dialysis or transplant kung ang trabaho ng kidney, regardless kung isa o dalawa lang yun, more than 15% pataas. Pero may sakit na yung kidney nun. Pero pag less than 15% na lang po yung trabaho ng kidney, less than 15%, no? Hindi na pwede. Kailangan na ng tulong ng dialysis. So, kaya din pong mabuhay ng isang tao na isa lang ang kidney. Provided yung isang kidney na ngayon yun, malakas pa yung trabaho. So, how do you know that, Doktora? Paano nyo po nasasabi ilang porsyento na lang? We have a test which is called the nuclear GFR scanning. So, ano po yun? Imaging procedure wherein tinetest ilan ng eksaktong porsyento ng trabaho ng kidney. O for example, right kidney, 100%. Left kidney, 100%. Ganon. So, it will tell the exact
So, nuclear
function.
GFR.
Opo, nuclear. Unfortunately, wala nga dito sa Zambales.
Oo, ang ibig
Dok, palagay tayo sa ano?
Sige,
sa
bukas,
Lourdes.
bukas.
No,
Alam mo-
because it's very important.
Uh-huh.
And it is not
So,
a routine test. Pero,
by nuclear, you mean you take in radioisotopes and try
Yes.
to image that?
yes.
Anong ginagamit na imager doon?
Ano
Parang
yun,
X-ray?
Doctor? Radioisotope yun eh. Sa nuclear medicine
nuclear
po yun.
So,
Radioisotope, tama po kayo, ini-inject po yun sa swero, iti-take up ng kidney.
Yes, then-
After ma-take up ng kidney yun, i-image, parang i-scan, ilang porsyento yung na-take up ng kidney. And by that process, malalaman ilang percent yung trabaho ng kidney.
so yung GFR is not a model.
Glomerular filtration rate.
Hindi
Nuclear,
modelo.
oo.
Hindi modelo ng kotse yun. Kundi
Kami modelo bang kotse ng GFR? It stands for glomerular filtration rate.
Yun yung
Nuclear glomerular filtration
yung
rate
glomerulus, singular is the basic unit ng
ng
kidney.
kidney.
Di ba?
Opo.
Pang filter.
Yes.
Ang dami lang gumaya pero up to this point hindi pa nagagaya ng siyensya, no?
Yes.
But may tanong dito. Nice ito from Corazon Simbal. Doc, ask ko po kung na-honor ang PhilHealth sa Lourdes kapag nagpapadialysis.
Ay, opo.
Opo.
Mabilis pa sa alas 4.
Honored,
Opo.
yeah.
Actually, hindi lang naman din po sa Lourdes. Sa lahat po ng dialysis unit sa buong Pilipinas, ang dialysis po ay isa ng case rate.
Yes.
So, hindi na po rason sa isang Pilipinong pasyente na may sakit sa kidney na kailangan ng dialysis na may PhilHealth na hindi makapag-dialysis. Kasi yun po ay case rate. Ang ibig sabihin po ng case rate, sagot po ng PhilHealth yung dialysis. Pero that is 45 sessions a year.
45
Yes,
lang.
45 lang.
A year po yan.
A year. So,
All the rest.
when you equate that into a year, 6 months, kasi twice a week ang dialysis.
Okay.
So, twice a week, so 45 divided by 2, diba, it is equivalent to 6 months.
That's a huge thing already.
Yes,
Imagine
of course. Yes,
50%.
yes. I must say. Because when I started my practice, Doctor and DJ, wala pang PhilHealth noon.
Oo.
And ang daming patient that unfortunately were not able to undergo dialysis if they are already advised to undergo because of financial constraints. But when the time came that the PhilHealth already catered dialysis. Actually, not only kidney failures. Marami na pong mga sakit ngayon na covered ng PhilHealth. Kaya nga pasalamat po sa gobyerno na ang PhilHealth po ay talagang pinapalawi. But going back to dialysis, hindi na po rason na hindi makapag-dialysis because of PhilHealth. No?
Yeah, ito Rupert Martinez. Doc had injury, fell from the bike. Right kidney. Blunt trauma. But doctor said I will be okay with one left.
Blunt trauma, nahulog sa kidney bike.
Siguro sa
Oo.
motorsiklo to.
Opo. Kasi ang kidney po, medyo malapit siya sa
Sa wall.
sa
Sa wall
surface
ng-
ng
sa likod natin.
Oo. Kapag po nagkaroon ng aksidente, blunt trauma, nabugbugan niya, siguro nahulog nga sa aksidente, pwede pong yung kidney niya, kanan, no, na damage. So, ang goal po ng mga Sorehano, i-save ang organ system, ang tawag doon is to salvage kidneys. To save. Pero kung talagang inoperable, talagang damage na siya, walang choice po yung urologist but to do nephrectomy. When you say nephrectomy, you remove the kidney. Kasi talagang badly damaged na. Kung ganun po, natanggal yung kanang kidney kasi hindi na talaga ma-save because of trauma, yung kaliwang kidney, so din nga po na nasabi ko kanina, for as long as maganda pa naman yung trabaho niya, you can survive, you can live with one kidney alone provided that you will take care of that sole kidney of yours. Because wala ka nang, kumbaga sa spare tire, wala ka na spare tire, no? So really have to take care of that kidney, your left kidney. But you can live with one kidney, provided it's the function is still normal, no? So pwede naman.
Doc, my wife underwent routinary abdomen checkup. They found out atretic one kidney.
Yes.
How about
Atretic.
yung lifespan? Sabi ng doctor, can be compatible with lifespan. Normal lifespan.
When you say atretic, it's
Maliit.
atresia.
Hindi
Ibig sabihin
nag-develop.
hindi nag-develop. Kaya actually natanong na rin po yata
Last
yan 2
time,
weeks
yeah,
ago
oo.
eh. Incidentally, kapag ikay nagpa-ultrasound ng abdomen, some patients would be
Nakikita.
surprised to
Maliit.
find out isa lang ang kidney o yung isa maliit. So the same answer to that previous question, even though the other kidney is maliit or small, the other kidney should compensate for being alone, yung natitirang malaking kidney dun na kanan. So pwede pa rin naman pong mabuhay ng normal, pero since yung isang kidney ay maliit na because if it's genetic anomaly, no? Kailangan extra alaga nito sa natitirang normal na kidney.
Ito.
You have to see a kidney doctor and nephrologist,
Nephrologist.
regularly.
Doktora, saan po yung clinic namin niya?
Ako, salamat po. Meron po akong clinic sa Lourdes, Mondays po, 9 to 12.
Mondays, 9 to 12. And
Opo.
kung kayo ay gustong humingi ng appointment kay doktora, tawag po kayo sa Lourdes. Ang number dun is 222-9011 up to 13. So 222-9011, 222-9012, hanggang 222-9013. Ha? At bago tayo magpatuloy, Doktora, nais ko munang batiin ng maligayang bati.
Happy
Si
birthday.
Dr. Gigi Garcia, General Surgeon, birthday niya yesterday,
Ay, happy
March
birthday
11.
po.
At si Dr. Lilian Lintao, isang obstetrician gynecologist, sa March 14 po ang birthday niya. At
Happy
si
birthday
Dr.
po.
Rexy Ann Gamulo, internal med, internist siya. Sa March 15 naman ang birthday niya.
Happy
Maligayang
birthday po.
bati po sa inyo, Dr. Gigi Garcia, Dr. Lilian Lintao, at si Dr. Rexy Ann Gamulo. At Doctor, ito, curious na kwento, no? How true kapag uminom po ng sambong ay maalis ang mga sakit sa bato?
Sambong
Sambong.
is one of the
Herbal.
herbal medicines. But ang proven benefit niya is not for all kidney disease, for kidney stones only. Meron talagang studies na ang sambong can be used to treat kidney stones.
So
But
yun
it
po.
is not a prophylactic to
It's
prevent. When you say prophylactic,
Pampigil.
pampigil, pang-prevent, yun.
Pang-iwas.
Pang-iwas, hindi po. Ang pang-iwas po, para hindi magkaroon ng sakit ng kidney, simple lang, tubig. At umiwas sa maalat, umiwas uminom ng gamot na hindi
Kailangan.
kailangan.
Ano po ang mga gamot na madalas makasira ng mga kidneys?
Ay, nako.
Pain relievers.
Notorious are pain relievers, no? Mga tinatawag na NSAIDs, yung non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, no?
Yung mga COX.
Yung mga COX inhibitors, ganyan. Kapag ininom niyo ho yun, hindi yun, pag isang inom mo, sira agad yung kidney.
Hindi naman.
Pero, yun, because of its mechanism, kasi ang bawat gamot po may mekanismo ng trabaho. Nakakaapekto. At lahat nga ng gamot, tulad po ng nasabi ko na rin dati, wala talagang 100% safe na gamot. Lahat may mga potential side effect.
May overdose eh. Sabi, Doc,
Yes,
may overdose
oo.
mo yung tubig. So sabi ko, meron yata. Kasi meron akong alam
May
na
water
overdose.
intoxication.
Oo, may na-overdose na lunod eh.
Hindi. Actually, sa pag-inom po ng tubig,
Sobrang.
going back muna doon sa mga pain relievers, mas ideal kasi that if you can take something, kung pwede po kayo uminom ng gamot na mas less yung toxicity or side effect,
Mas mabuti.
di ba? Yun. Kaya meron naman pong ibang mga para sa kirot na hindi ganun kapangit,
Kabagsik, oo.
kabagsik sa kidney. Mas magandang alternative yun. Pero kung talagang wala pong choice na hindi uminom talaga ng malalakas na pain reliever, huwag yun naman pong gawing candy.
Doktora, you do not also recommend mga
Opo.
supplements para sa bato? Ano?
Oho,
For
actually, hindi po siya...
Hindi na-encourage ng
Hindi,
Nepro Society.
yes, and hindi kasi po siya evidence-based eh. Wala pong, sa practice po ng medisina, hindi lang naman po sa amin sa kidney, sa lahat po ng linya, no? Maski sa inyo po, doktor, di ba? It's evidence-based. Ang ibig sabihin ho nun, dapat napatunayan ng
Siyensya.
masaliksik na pag-aaral. Hindi lang yung sinabing, may isang endorser na sikat. Ito'y mabisa. Yun ang pinakamababang uri ng level ng ebidensya.
I'd like to greet Dr. Robbie Robles, isang kumpare to, at he's back from the States.
Good morning po.
Magandang umaga, nakikinig sila
Good
sa atin.
morning
Sabi,
po.
nice topic. Sabi ganyan, ha? Lovely guest. No, she's not lovely, she's Beverly. Yes, she is lovely.
Salamat
Si
po.
Dr. Robbie is
Welcome back po.
my long-time friend back in Ateneo eh. Pero nagpa-practice siya ng internal medicine sa Amerika.
Yung doc numbers daw again sa mga gusto magtanong po,
Yeah.
especially now, kidney ang pinag-uusapan.
Yes, it's World Kidney Day.
0920-90-99937.
Yun.
Jonah is asking, Doc, may relation po ba yung paglabo ng mata sa pagkakaroon ng dialysis? Kasi mula nung magpa-dialysis si Papa, lumabo rin po yung mata.
Baka may diabetes.
Ayun nga, may
Opo.
DM for 7 years. Okay, Rona,
Si Dr. na po
sagutin ko
sasagot.
muna yung yung pagkakaroon ng panlabo ng mata, hindi po dahil sa dialysis yon. Sometimes they blame dialysis for that, but it's not. Nagkaroon lang parang tinatawag na temporal relationship. Ibig sabihin, tiyempo lang na kasabay ng damage ng retina, yung nangyayaring damage sa kidney. A lot of times when I see people with damaged retina, more than 90% of them, they have damaged kidneys already. Because the mechanism of destruction is similar sa mga blood vessels ng mata sa nangyayari sa blood vessels sa kidney. So, if you've got diabetes, lagi ko sinasabi, the moment you are diagnosed to have diabetes, see your eye doctor. Lalo na kung malinaw na malinaw pa ang inyong mata. Why? Sometimes meron kayong background or meron kayong pre-proliferative diabetic changes at hindi pa alam. And I see some people may diabetic retinopathy na and they're not aware na meron silang diabetes.
Yes.
Magpapa-check up lang. Then, ibig
Yes.
sabihin, parang lumilitaw, incidental finding lang yung pagkakaroon ng diabetes. It's the
Opo.
blurring of vision na nakikita nila. So, ang sinisira po ng diabetes, mata, bato, puso,
Actually,
Lahat pong
head to toe. That's why I
Lahat pong-
always say to the patient, if you have diabetes,
lahat na may ugat.
head to toe ang complication. It's just unfortunate for both of us siguro, doctor, because the most famous
Side effects.
organ system that are affected are the eyes,
The eyes
and
and
the
the kidneys.
kidneys. So that's why they thought pag diabetes, kidney at mata lang. But they did not know that it is from head to toe actually, literally and figuratively speaking.
Napuputol yung toes.
Yes, because
Anything na
everything.
sinusuplayan po ng dugo.
Yes, kasi yung komplikasyon ho ng diabetes, blood vessels, no? Tama po yung sabi ni doctor, I must agree with that, na pag the moment na meron ng damage ang mata,
Kadalasan
kasabay po talaga nun ng kidney. Kaya kaming mga kidney doctor, kung dalawa ang pinag-iisipan naming sanhi ng sakit ng kidney, kasi karamihan magkapatidan ng diabetes, doc, tsaka hypertension.
Yes,
eh.
oo.
Kapag hindi namin sure kung ano doon sa dalawang yon ang sanhi,
Sisilipin ng mata.
ipapasilip namin sa ophthalmologist. Kasi I must admit, wala po ako ophthalmoscope na. Nung medical student ako, nanghiram lang ako nun kasi elective lang ang ophthalmology. But anyway, once the ophthalmologist see that there is diabetic
Changes.
retinopathy,
Most likely diabetic
it is
change,
because of the diabetes that has caused the kidney problem.
So-
And halimbawa, hindi kami sure about the chronicity o kung gaano katagal na yung sakit sa kidney. Kasi kung si doktor, ganun din yung kanya experience sa mga patient na incidental lang yung diabetes.
Hindi nila alam.
Sa amin ganun din, doktor. Palagi na lang kami yung...
Sasabihin, kanya ako
Bakit?
nagka-diabetes kasi nagka-dialysis ako.
O kaya palagi na lang silang caught by surprise. Na kaya kaming mga nephrologists, palaging kami yung blaming, quote-unquote blaming end.
Kaya yung chopping board.
Oo, kasi kami yung we're the person to give the news. Oo.
Sabihin,
Yes.
kailangan nyo na po magpa-dialysis. Yan. So, yun. Oh, you're asking how much po average dialysis treatment dito. My mom is undergoing, nasa Texas po siya. Planning to come home sa Philippines for possible
Maintenance. Transplant, doctor?
Oo.
Transplant.
Ang dialysis dito sa atin, how much inaabot yung average?
Average, doctor, is 2.5
Per session, no?
Per session.
But if your mom has, yun nga, PhilHealth, PhilHealth, ganyan, or if may insurance, some dialysis unit, actually all dialysis units can cater insurance din, you can use that.
Ito sabi ni Jojo, my uncle underwent transplant. How long ang lifespan po ng kidney? Kasi
Transplant. Oo.
yung nag-donate kasi deceased na.
Oo. Actually,
Jojo, good morning.
with the advent of new technologies, doctor, the lifespan of transplant should be more than, depende rin kasi kung ano yung marami pong factors na kinoconsider. Depende kung ano yung native kidney disease. Ibig sabihin, ano yung
Aling
cause
cause,
ng
oo.
kidney failure ng pasyente na nag-receive ng transplant. So, kung usually sa mga diabetic nephropathy, sometimes we see patients nowadays, sometimes even more than 10 years, more than 20 years yung lifespan. For as long as the rule is,
Good
of
maintenance.
course, good maintenance, and you have to follow up really religiously with the nephrologist. Pero with the advent of the new drugs, the anti-rejection drugs, the immunosuppressants that we have, there is no impossible nowadays as far as transplant is concerned. No? Ngayon, yung concern niya na yung nag-donate ay disease na, even though hindi pa disease yung nag-donate, siguro ang ina-assume ko kasi doon sa tanong, yun po nag-donate, namatay na, wala na mag-donate. Hindi na rin talaga pwede mag-donate yung nag-donate. Kasi you can only donate once because you have to be left, the donor has to be left with one kidney in order for that person to survive naman. You cannot donate both unless you are a deceased donor.
Namatay ka.
Abawa, namatay ka. You want to donate both of your kidneys, pwede yun. Or sometimes, both kidneys from the deceased donor can be donated. Kasi usually sa pediatrics po, doctor, 2 kidney yung kailangan. Sa pediatrics, no? Pero sa adult, isa lang.
Isa lang.
So, yun lang yung instance na 2 kidney pwedeng sabay tanggalin pag deceased. Pero, kapag ikay living donor, you have to be left with 1 kidney. Because how can you survive? Di ikaw naman yung magiging kidney patient.
How do you become a donor po?
Okay.
Just in case
If you want,
na-accidente ka,
yeah, if you want to donate, actually, the first thing you have to do is you have to, siguro lagay mo rin sa driver's license mo yun. Or you have to inform your relatives din. Kasi usually, wag naman sana, nangyayari yan kapag, for example, untimely death, 'di ba, sa mga accident, sa mga
Yes po.
sa mga pasyente halimbawa na aksidente na malakas nga, healthy ganon. Then if the kasi meron din pong meron din pong what do you call this organ transplant team sa Manila, NKI, no?
NKI.
Oo, NKI. Na they are responsible for procuring yung mga disease organ donation like that.
Yeah po.
So hospitals around all over the Philippines, they will coordinate. For example, wag naman sana dito sa atin may nangyaring ganyan. Then we see na potential donor tong namatay. We coordinate at once.
Compatibility ang unang tinitingnan din po, di po ba?
Well, it's up to yun nga the team in Manila
Decide, yeah.
will go at once dun sa place of for example, dito sa Olongapo or whichever part of the Philippines, they will go there ASAP kasi may golden period to retrieve
Oo nga
the
po.
kidney, no?
While it
Oo.
is still
Then-
hot, sabi nga nila.
Oo, then syempre they will do the necessary test. Then yung pong mga waitlisted na mga patient for transplant, they will be called in. Kung sino yung magmamatch doon. Kumbaga, yung mga naka-waitlisted,
Okay.
ano na sila, kompleto na yung work-up doon. It's just a matter, kaya nga, as the term implies, waitlisted. Kung sino yung magiging available na organ, ganyan.
And magmamatch
At
dun sa-
magmamatch. For example, yung first on list, wait sa linya ay hindi compatible. O next.
Next.
Hanggang sa kung sino yung...
So may order priority
Yes.
yun. Okay.
Kaya po nakalista yun. So, if a person is interested, for example, pero wag naman sana, di ba, to donate for if anything happens to him or her, ganyan, the first thing is you have to inform your relatives din.
Yes po.
Kasi syempre, the coordinating team from Manila will have to talk to the family, di ba? Yun. Na may consent. Kasi we cannot just offer it. I mean, we can ask, pero ang mahirap kasi naranasan ko din when I was still in training sa UST.
Minsan may
nun.
nagagalit.
Well, sometimes na-offend, ganun.
Ah, okay.
Oo, di ba? Parang, di ba? But if there is, at least if there is a pre-informed
Consent.
that if something happens to me, I would like to do this with my, at least, it will not be too much from the family
From
to,
the family.
di- oo.
Tanong natin si Double B. Kung may donate ka sa katawan mo, anong part ang ibibigay mo?
Well, truth po, kung ano man yung pwede. Kasi
Lahat ng-
if I'm deceased already, why not donate it to
Lahat
those who
na
are
pwedeng
really in need
gamitin
or
ng-
for
Pwede rin
science?
Eyes yan, corneas yan, corneas.
diba?
So lahat ng pwedeng gamitin ng mga tao at ng siyensya. No?
Exactly, oo.
So, which part do you think would be the most expensive para sa'yo? Kung may, if you put a price to your organ parts, ano yung pinaka mahal palagay mo?
Well, I can say ano pong pinakamura.
Ano yung pinakamura kaya?
Slightly used po brains.
Ay,
Sabi ko
pinakamahal
na
yan.
Narinig ko.
Yan ang pinakamahal dapat. Kasi slightly used eh.
Narinig ko na yung joke.
Oo nga po pala, dapat mahal.
Mali ang
Alam ko yung
punchline.
pinakamura. Yung gamit na
Imagine
gamit.
mo.
Alam mo yun.
Kasi yung kumbaga sa mileage ng sasakyan 0.0001% pa lang.
Pero alam ko yung pinakamura. Sa lahat ng almost dilapidated. Yung gamit na gamit.
na nakakagpansyo.
Kung na lang siya, pamigay na lang. Di ba?
Pamigay na lang.
Para sa, anong organ yon? Well, you ask DJ Double
Kaboom.
B kung ano mismo yung, ito, maganda itong sinabi ni Cynthia. Doc, my dad is 65 years old, had transplant years ago, and he's doing well. Nakaka-golf siya and everything. Thanks to the magic of science. Kasi anti-rejection pills, very effective.
Yes.
Ito naman. Pare, pakitanong sa doktora guest kung gagamitin ba yung anti-rejection pill na yan. Pwede...
Immunosuppress. That is
Hindi,
called
Pwede
immunosuppressant.
maiwasan pagka-busted. 3 times na ako nababusted this year.
Anti-rejection drug.
Pwede. I
pwede
think
mo-
you take that before you, before you propose.
Really?
Good morning, Rogelio, ha? Isa siyang SG. Ang SG is security guard.
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi, alam mo, dapat, hindi security guard ang dapat tawag dyan, PSG.
Ano po yung
PSG?
PSG?
Police sa gate.
Please again.
Di ba? So, PSG, Rogelio. Yan si Doc. My son developed kidney problems kasi sabi ng doctor, lagi raw siya nakatutok at nakatapat sa computers. How can that affect? I think, alam ko yung mechanism niyan. Hindi dahil sa
Yes,
virus na galing sa computer. Hindi dahil dyan. Kundi, palagi ko, tamad uminom at tumayo at
yes,
umihiga.
yes.
Yun.
Indirect cause po yung computer.
Kasi yung iba nagdodota, pare, 8 hours straight, hindi tumatayo.
Hindi po kasi pwedeng tumayot, matatalo eh.
Nakakalimutan nila na may buhay sila.
Oo nga.
Akala nila,
May solution naman daw po doon. Make your seat some
Webag.
sort of a...
Kaya if I may add to that, you know, one of the professions that we usually encounter with kidney disease, can you make a guess, doctor?
call centers.
Yes.
Oo,
Ano pa?
Doctors?
Hindi. Teacher.
Teachers?
Teachers.
Pinipigil nila ang
Kasi they ako nga sabi ko doon sa siguro kasi doctor ang tendency
Teachers,
ng
really?
teachers, yes, because 'di ba meron sila schedule
Yes.
na kailangan they have to be on time sa mga bawat klase.
Very strict sila sa schedule.
They have to limit they consciously limit their fluid or water intake
Ano mo sinasabi
in
mo lagi?
order to avoid CR breaks.
Ano sasabihin nila?
Oo.
Nag-iihi ako eh. Hindi umiinom.
Oo,
my
yun.
aunt, ganun yung tita ko.
And, di ba, sabi na rin to ng mga patients ko na nga rin. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, alam mo, mga madam, mga sir, dapat siguro gumawa kayo ng proposal sa inyong mga superintendent na
May
dapat
CR break.
CR break, di ba? And sometimes, after din po ng klase, they tend not to drink water. Ang pangtanggal na stress nila, soda.
Oh.
Diba? Diba sa mga faculty, not all teachers naman do it, but most of the patients that I have. Kasi naglulungkot ako na there was a time, I think, mga third year or second year pa lang ako sa practice ko noon. Parang there was a time, sunod-sunod, puro teacher. But they are not, hindi naman po dahil magkakakilala sila. Nagkataon lang. Bawa last week, kakatingin ko lang teacher, kidney stones. Following week, teacher naman sa iba-iba. Sabi ko, last week lang, teacher na naman.
Teacher na naman.
Oo. Kasi nga, pare-pareho. And yung mga uso rin po yata ngayon yung online na teacher. Yung mga Korean.
Yes,
Yeah,
ESL,
the
online
Korea,
teaching.
yeah.
Yes, oo.
They tell me they are not drinking so much water kasi bawal daw ma-interrupt yung
Conversation.
Yes, oo.
conversation.
May time
So
kasi
sometimes,
sa online.
one patient of mine told me, alam mo, doktora, pag talagang call of nature, what I do, anong ginagawa mo? Inaano daw niya, sinisipa niya yung CPU. Para kunwari, ay, blurred, ganon. Just to have a reason na makapag-CR siya. Gumagawa siya paraan. Sisipain niya yung para kunwari, nasira yung communication system. So that's why it is very unfortunate na because
Dapat
of our
you can
it is
put-
occupational hazard.
Yeah,
eh.
you can put a name sa break na to. Nature break.
Nature break.
Eh, yun daw mga estudyante, masyado daw demanding. No, ganun. We are paying for
Akala
you.
ko mga lawyers
po
lang mga
talaga.
demanding.
Ay, hindi naman.
Nagdidemanda. Pero magandang umaga, Attorney Aguila.
Oo nga po yung aking.
Yung dati niyan lawyer.
Opo.
Ay, ibang usapan naman po yan. Kasi,
Demanding eh.
oo.
Hello pa, nagpapabati nga po pala siya.
Sabi nung
aking brother.
my boyfriend is a lawyer. I will demand you. Ibig sabihin, hindi demand.
Kaboom. Pero naalala ko po nung high school ako, tsaka even colleges, yung mga teachers and professors ko naman, pag kinailangan talaga ng break, walang noisy ha.
Walang noise.
Kabalik ako. But I don't know bakit mas marami nga pa rin. But they have, I think they have all the right in the world naman kung talagang kailangan pumunta ng CR.
Ano po, sino po ang
Ang
mga...
mga teachers natin.
Hindi, actually, siguro ako, I will base on my experience nung high school ako. Kasi kami, marami kaming sections. Ayun nga pala, speaking of high school, St. Joseph High School Batch 95. Ano na po kami, 20 years reunion namin
Parang
sa
kailan lang, ah?
March 28.
St.
But
Joseph
anyway,
and Doc.
St.
20
Joseph,
years, ano?
20 years na
Parang
po.
kailan na?
Oo nga, Doc. Anyways, marami kaming section. St. Joseph ka rin, DJ?
Yes po.
O di ba, marami tayong section.
Marami.
Anong batch ka?
89.
89. Ako 95.
Parang
Ba't nagtatanungan ng batch?
95.
Diniin pa eh. No?
Hindi, Doc. Parehas lang.
89 ka? 95 ka?
Pareho
Ibig sabihin, grade 6 walang pala ako noon.
Hindi. Ibig sabihin yan, pareho tayong not so young anymore.
Ganun
Okay
naman.
lang. Pero yun nga, Doc.
We're
kasi-
young enough.
Pero
Exactly.
kasi, di ba, ang dami po naming section nun sa high school. Di ba may time?
Ano po ba yung fina-follow nyo noon? Yung fourth year na letters?
Nung first year ako, first year.
Ah, yes.
Second, the third year, naging ano na yung mga
pinalitan
topas,
na.
gano'n, yan. But anyway, sa dami ng section po, Doktor, and DJ, alam mo yan, ikaw yung ka-alumni ko pala.
Yeah.
Yung teachers natin, di ba, they have to follow a strict time.
Yes, apo.
Kasi if malilate sila doon, masisira ang nila, schedule.
Yes.
Di ba? Tayo din,
St.
actually,
Joseph yung po yung malapit sa simbahan.
yes, opo.
Yun na mismo po. ha?
Yun po mismo,
One
Doktor.
parang compound na
Opo.
yun in a way.
At ano po, ngayong next week naman po, March 19, St. Joseph's Day, Doctor. Just
Fiesta ng San Jose, ha?
Fiesta ng San Jose.
Fiesta ng San Jose.
Yun. Kaya, kaya talagang I cannot help but to correlate the pathophysiology of, kasi ang risk factor, ibig sabihin na risk factor, yung predisposition, dahilan bakit ka magkakaroon ng isang sakit.
Sabi ni Gary De Jesus,
Yun
Doc,
nga.
hindi lang po teacher, pati kami mga driver.
Yes,
Yung pa-
yes,
Lalo na, ito,
including driver,
lalo
yes,
na
yes.
Yung hirap nun, lalo.
Yes.
Na may
Ang
boss.
dami ko rin patient na driver po. Kasi they tend to, to make pigil pinipigilan ng ihi.
So, hindi umiinom.
Oo.
Ito, lalo na may boss. Pati inside the car, nag-smoke kahit,
Our
health hazard po talaga.
Kaya nga alam mo,
Don't
Doc,
mention my name. Nasabi ko na eh.
kaya nga alam nyo, I feel sorry din sa mga kaibigan natin sa Metro Manila, di ba?
Yes,
I used to live there for
Traffic,
14 years because of studies. Pero nung panahon ko nun, may traffic na, pero not as bad as today.
Not as bad.
Yes.
Yeah.
When I go there,
PhD, di ba?
yes, doktor, oo. When I see my friends, yung mga practicing nephrologists din doon, nakakaawa yung mga doktor pala. Or not just only doctors, but lahat ng mga profession. Kasi ang hirap daw sa traffic.
Start to commute. That's why.
And not only commute, even if you have your own car.
I mean to
yes,
travel.
same thing.
I have a nephrologist guy, he's a male nephrologist. He is from Parañaque. He has to go to a meeting in Ortigas for RPSN. Sa sobrang traffic, sometimes he has to bring a urinal na. Urinal is...
Urine bag. Oh.
Urinal,
Yung,
para...
yan.
Kasi,
Arinola.
Arinola.
Kasi talagang sa sobrang traffic daw, kaya diba, so I could just imagine na yung iba ring mga tao rin doon. So I mean, because of the lifestyle that we have, siguro sa pagiging moderno na ng mundo, it has something to do with the pathophysiology talaga. Ibig sabihin, yung pagka-evolve ng mga sakit eh.
Kaya ngayon po, some of my college friends ngayon na nagwo-work sa Makati at malalayo inuwian.
Nagdo-dorm
believe it or
na.
not, hindi po either bicycle or motorsiklo.
Yeah. O kaya yung iba, iniiwan sa isang parking lot yung sasakyan, mag-MRT. Oo.
No,
Kaya,
si Alex nga, sabi ni Alex, Doc, ako po sa office na lang po natutulog, nakiusap sa isang corner para hindi na natatraffic. Super po.
Oo,
Alex.
super traffic. Kaya,
Alex isang female, ha?
kaya pasalamat na lang nga dito sa atin sa Subic Bay area. Dito
Ang
sa
ganda.
Sambales.
Oo nga po, no?
Diba?
Swerte pa
Kaya nga,
tayo.
kaya nga pasalamat sa Panginoon. Sabi ko, ang sarap ng buhay. Buti kami sa probinsya, nasa Sambales kami. Pero we have our own time.
Minsan nga po may
Oo.
mga magrereklamo sa atin na pag nandiyan tayo sa Magsaysay area sa Rizal na nata-traffic.
Oo.
Ang sagot ko na lang sa kanila, sigurado kayo, nagagalit kayo?
Oo.
Sumama kayo sa amin sa Manila.
Sa Maynila, di ba? Kaya pasalamat tayo dito
5
sa
minutes na
atin.
traffic ka lang,
Oo.
ganyan ka lang.
Samantalang doon, talagang kalahating araw, isang araw. Diyos ko.
Hindi,
Kaya,
ako niyan eh. Sabi
Oo.
nga ni
It comes-
Rod Stewart,
opo.
some people have all the luck.
Yeah.
Dokanta yan na.
Yeah. Some people do nothing but complain. Yeah.
Exactly.
Nasaan ka doon? Sabi naman ni Rico J,
Ano po?
dalawa lang ang lalaki.
Ano po?
Yung guwapo at yung maswerte.
Opo.
Sana pareho na lang.
Doon na lang tayo sa maswerte.
Doon na lang tayo sa maswerte.
Hindi
Yun po
daw.
pinaka-importante sa lahat.
Kasi kapag gwapo ka, siswertihin ka rin eh.
You can say that.
Pag sa
pero
babae,
depende ba?
Depende pa rin ba yun?
You can say that. Pero kung given the choice, maging guwapo ka o maswerte, maswerte,
Maswerte.
na lang.
Swerte na lang.
Pag maswerte ka,
Sa lahat, swerte.
pwede ka rin maging guwapo.
Oo nga po. Eto po, Doc. Ito malamang maraming mga kababaihan ang nakaka-relate dito. Paas naman po kay Doktora kung yung collagen tablet or gluta capsule nakaka-epekto sa kidney.
Yes.
Uminom
Unfortunately.
niya, Diyos ko ang dami.
Actually, the reason, alam mo, ang Panginoon, may dahilan po kaya tayo ginawa na, I mean,
Morena.
the reason why we are fair complex
Is the-
skins is because we live in tropical countries,
Exactly.
my friend, no? Mainit sa Pilipinas. Kung tayo po ay, ito pong kulay natin na to, may melanin
Adapted
kasi.
para sa atin to eh.
Protection Protection natin
Melanin,
yun. Kaya hindi yun ay protection. Kapag po wala nun, tayo magkaka-skin cancer. Ngayon, going back to the question about yung mga glutathione, oral, no? It has been, it is a question that is frequently asked then during our conventions. And unfortunately, there are studies to prove that it can affect the kidney. Ibig sabihin, pwede siyang makadamage. It can cause kidney failure in the long.
Ouch.
Yeah. Kaya nga ang message of the story we should be contented with what God has given us.
Exactly.
If you want to groom yourself, I mean, di ba?
Be clean.
Oo.
There are other ways to make
And
you feel beautiful
And
naman.
black is beautiful.
Actually, we're not black, we're brown.
We're brown,
Put it
diba?
this way, sa States nga po, lahat sila
Nagpapaten.
gumagawa ng paraan para umitim. Eh, mga
Nagpapaten.
And the same way naman, kaya po yung
Sa
mga...
atin dito, baligtad.
Oo, yung mga Caucasian ay mapuputi, mga Amerika, kasi malamig doon.
Kasi it's human nature na hanapin
Yes.
palagi kung ano yung wala sa'yo.
Oo.
Yeah.
So
True that.
again, yung kanta ni Rod Stewart, some guys
Nice.
do nothing but complain. So, diba? So,
Kaya unfortunately, those medicines are not good for... Kaya ngayon nga po, simple lang ang gusto ng kidney, tsaka simple lang din tandaan tubig, less alat, less salt, at huwag iinom ng gamot na hindi kailangan.
yes.
Hindi kailangan.
How about
Oo.
alcoholic beverages?
Alcohol per se, doctor, is not directly,
Hitting
hindi
the
siya
kidneys.
directly injurious or toxic sa kidney.
It's the
Pero,
liver,
the liver will be, yung atay po ay masisira ng
Alcohol,
alak.
too much
Alcohol.
Okay.
Pag nasira po si atay,
Kasama
asahan
na si
mo,
kidney.
kasama na si
Damay-damay
kidney.
na.
Tsaka, ito rin yan, doktor Pag ikay inom ng alak, hindi ka naman siguro inom ng alak ng walang pulutan. Siyempre, yung mga pulutan,
Malalasa.
maalat, mamantika, mataas. Kaya asahan mo, mga manginginom, pasyente rin namin. Hindi nga, kasi nagkakaroon sila ng gout Gout. Pag may sakit sa atay, nare-refer sa amin. Actually, halos lahat nga, doktor. Pasyente ng ng specialist sa puso, magkaroon ng heart failure, magiging pasyente. Ang kidney kasi, talagang palagi rin naapektuhan ng ibang organ system.
Yung po isang gusto ko may tanong po sa inyo, na-encounter ko kasi in another documentary, may isang malaking makapag-cause ng
Kidney.
Yung ano po yung tawag dito, yung high blood pressure.
Opo,
Something
ano?
to do with renin po ba sa kidney?
Yes,
or
yes.
Paano po ba yun?
Renin, that is called the RAS system. Renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system. Yan ay hormone system na responsable ang kidney. Actually,
Okay.
hindi lang kidney, tsaka yung brain, no? Yung renin, pag yung sistema na yon, yung axis na yan, pag yan po ay uncontrolled,
Okay.
pwede talaga makapagpataas ng blood pressure.
pressure.
Okay. Kidneys po ang pinanggagalingan ng mga hormones na yan.
Safe to ask po ba, how many
Yes.
percent na yun ang nagkakos, yung kidney?
Actually,
Sa pagdating sa high blood pressure.
by epidemiology, ang most common cause pa rin ng high blood, primary or essential. Yang mga tinatawag na renin, ang tinatawag dyan, secondary hypertension.
Okay.
When you say secondary
May dahilan.
hypertension, may ibang pinanggagalingan yung high blood. Pag sinabi mong primary or essential,
By nature.
walang
makita mo ba?
cause. Talaga high blood, no? Essential hypertension yung tawag doon. At dyan pumapasok na naman yung paborito ko since medical student ako, chicken and egg. Which comes first?
Ano na una?
Oo, kasi ganito sir, Mr. DJ, yung pong hypertension, pagkaka-high blood, pwede kang mag-cause ng kidney disease.
Okay.
Pag ikay may sakit sa bato, pwede ka rin magka-high blood.
Paikot-ikot
Kaya,
yan.
yes, it is a
Vicious
vicious
cycle.
cycle. Yes, so that's why kapag ang pasyente ay may high blood, hindi pwedeng yun ang cause ng kidney disease, or pag nagka-kidney disease ka, dun ka magkaka-high blood. Because of that, yung mekanismo na yan, yung
Tuloy hindi mo
renin.
na alam, no?
Oo,
Chicken or
oo.
egg talaga.
Yes. Pero in both ways, either which, chicken or egg or chicken na una, you treat it the same, no?
May nag-text sa atin.
Yes.
Good day, I'm Dr. Husay. I'm also a physician, family med ang practice ko. I always tune into your nice program kasi I learn a lot na pwede kong gamitin pang explain sa aking mga patients. More power and congratulations. Say hi to kay Dr. Agla. Magandang umaga po, Dr. Maureen. She's a family physician.
Ay, hello po, Doktor.
Maraming salamat
po.
for tuning in at
Salamat
thank you
po.
for your nice comments.
Thank you po sa magandang
Alam nyo,
comment.
Dr. Maureen, ano na
Oo nga po.
10-17.
Actually, sa amin, okay lang yun.
Overtime
Laki na
na.
But
itutulong natin sa
we're so happy that people are reacting at meron naman napupulot dito sa ating weekly show, Konsulta Pang Medisina. So tune in lang po kayo dito and we will try to impart mga kaalaman tungkol sa ating kalusugan. Remember, ang unang hakbang sa magandang kalusugan ay awareness.
Yes.
Exactly.
Kaalaman.
So I am also again thanking the Dr. Laksamana and DJ Double
Double B
B
po, yeah.
for this opportunity to share our expertise or to disseminate information, because I'm again promoting that today is World Kidney
Kidney
Day.
Day. Drink
It is
lots of clean
drink
water.
lots of water. It's from March 12 to 14. Kaya prevention is still better than cure. If ever there's kidney disease or whatever disease naman, there's cure. Kaya don't be afraid to seek consult once you
Yes.
feel something different. You always see your good doctor, your kind doctor. Kasi we are approachable.
Sabi ni Kwan Doktor, paki-explain nga yung balisawsaw before we go.
Balisawsaw is Tagalog term for
Irritation, eh.
irritation. Ano yan? Simptoma po yan ng infection sa ihi.
Oh,
O
okay.
UTI, urinary tract infection. Doc, last na hirit na lang. Kasi po, ang papa ko magtatampo. Pa, hello.
Good morning.
Attorney Porfirio Aguila. Pa, hello. Mama ko rin po, Mrs. Dolores Aguila. Mga kapatid ko, Attorney Eric, Attorney Joy, Don Perry, Clarence. Mga pamangkin ko, si Gabi and Miguel. Hello.
Family of lawyers pala yung mga Aguila.
Nakikita ko po yung sign ng Atty.
Yes.
Aguila sa may tapat sa
Yun
City
din,
Hall.
doon din yung isa rin akong clinic dun sa taas.
okay. Yung
Actually,
buildings
doctor,
na-
makwento ko lang ng konti. Dapat ayaw ng daddy ko mag-doktor ako.
Gusto niya mag-lawyer ka rin?
Yes. Kasi sabi niya, you will be a good lawyer, madaldal ka. Pero unfortunately, I do
Pero
not
you know what?
like.
Meron akong kaibigan.
Oh,
Lawyer siya. Namatay
opo.
siya.
Oh,
Dumating yung ex-girlfriend niya.
opo.
Umiiyak.
Bakit po?
Sabi niya, tingnan mo naman yung brad mo.
Mm-mm.
Even in death, he is still lying.
Oo nga. Kaya nga may joke daw, ano ba yun? Good lawyers are parang not liars. Parang
Good
ganun.
lawyers are bad liars.
Oo, parang ganun yata.
Exactly.
Oo.
Tapos, ito, last joke Tapos
Opo,
mga
opo.
nagkagulo nun Yung sa langit kasi,
Oo.
pader ng nakahiwalay sa impyerno.
Oo.
Overpopulated yung mga nasa impyerno.
Oo.
Nagiba yung pader, nalaglag sa banda ng langit,
Hmm.
side ng langit. Sabi ni San Pedro, pinuntahan ni San Pedro si Satanas, "Uy, taning, yung pader nalaglag sa amin." Sabi, "Kanino property nalaglag?" "Sa amin." "O di kayo magpagawa." Sabi ni Satanas. Sabi, labo mo kausap. Nalaglag yan kasi overpopulated kayo, tinulak ng mga kasama mo. Nalaglag dito. Sabi, pagawa niyo. Buti pa, magkita na lang tayo sa korte, sabi ni San Pedro. O sige, tingnan natin kung may makuha kang abogado.
Ibig sabihin na, oo nga, Doc.
Magandang umaga, Attorney Porfirio Aguila.
Attorney pe.
At itong mga Aguila,
Salamat
hindi
po.
po sila mga abogadong di Campanilla. Mga abogadong di Campana po yan.
Salamat po.
Sikat na sikat po dito sa
Ay, hindi naman po.
Zambales area. Magandang umaga po sa inyo.
Hello pa.
Maraming
Hello,
salamat.
kuya.
And with that,
Lahat.
till next week,
Salamat po.
same frequency, same time, dito po sa ating konsulta pang medisina. Ito po muli ang inyong si Dr. Noel Husay Laksamana na pansamantalang nagpupugay ng paalam at magkita-kita po ulit tayo next week.
Happy World Kidney Day!
Yun nga, pasundan ko lang po yun. Meron po
Opo.
bang special event kayo dito sa area regarding that?
Inuman.
I-announce po na.
Inuman ng
Inuman.
Inuman. Inuman, tama. Inuman ng tubig. Kaya sana po, don't forget to drink. At least 8 glasses of water.
Eight glasses
At least 8 glasses. If you can, kapag ipasubstitute nyo muna yung inyong mga kape, mga soft drinks, in place of water. At ang i-post nyo po sa mga Facebook ninyo, puro
Tubig,
mga tubig.
Tubig.
Which we will do. Okay.
Tommy,
Maraming
Doktora,
salamat po. Happy World Kidney Day po sa ating
Doktora,
lahat.
maraming magpapaano ng FB sa'yo, ha? Ikaw nanonood ngayon, ha?
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Inad na po pala kita para ma-PM ko sa inyo yung
Ay,
link ng
oo,
YouTube.
salamat.
later.
Sabi ni Dr. Robbie, mukhang bata pa yung doktor na kasama mo.
Oo.
Hindi po mukha bata pa po talaga.
Bata pa po talaga.
Ang pagkakama ng pang-intern.
Oo nga, doktor. Salamat po.
Thank
Good
you at
morning.
God bless po.
God bless
Thank you so very much. Isa na naman Thursday morning, konsulta pang medisina ang ating natapos ngayon Thursday na umaga. Remember, every 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the morning, ang Thursdays po natin, ang konsulta pang medisina, free medical consultation po. This is presented to us by Our Lady of Lourdes International Medical Center.
89.9
89.5
My Subic Bay Radio.
worldwide.
Consulta pang medicina. Consulta pang medicina.
Is brought to you by
Our Lady of Lourdes.
International Medical Center.
Usapang medical baka mo? O baka naman libreng konsultasyon sa doktor ang iyong hinahanap? Aba, edi dito ka na sa bagong programa ng 89.5 FM My Subic Bay Radio. Kasama ang doktor ng bayan. Konsulta pang medisina with Dr. Husay Laksamana every Thursday, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Isang oras ng libreng pagkonsulta live on air tuwing Huwebes mula alas 9 hanggang alas 10 ng umaga. Konsulta pang medisina. Konsulta pang medisina. Starring Dr. Noel Husay Laksamana with special guest doctors every week specializing in pediatrics, OB-GYN, ophthalmology, general surgery, internal medicine, cardiology, dentistry, orthopedics, and many, many more. Libreng konsulta medisina tuwing Huwebes ng umaga. Konsulta pang medisina. Presented to you by Our Lady of Lourdes International Medical Center. Full hospital services with affordable, top-of-the-line facilities, laboratories, and rooms. Complete with state-of-the-art equipment. Avail of our special hospital packages such as executive checkup, OB package, HMO or company packages. We also accept insurance. Our Lady of Lourdes International Medical Center is located at number 2 National Highway, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City. For more information, call our landline number 047-306-5250 or text our cell phone number 0928-820-8191.
Get that dream vacation you've always dreamed of at Shivan Seafront Resort and Hotel. Affordable room rates with free breakfast. Wide array of international cuisine prepared by world-class chefs. Panoramic seafront view, beautiful swimming pool, friendly and professional staff. Water sports activities like jet ski, parasailing, scuba diving, and a whole lot more. You name it, we have it. All at Shibid Seafront Resort and Hotel. Shibid Seafront Resort and Hotel.
I'm sitting on a darker bay, wasting time.
Now open at Shivan Seafront Resort and Hotel, Dock of the Bay Restaurant and Pirate Bar. Satisfy your love for white and red wines perfectly prepared just for you. Enjoy the scenic view of the beachfront at the Pirate Bar and Grill. Your favorite ice-cold beer, delicious zesty barbecue, make your own salad. Plus, Dock of the Bay has its own ice cream bar. All at Shivan Seafront Resort and Hotel, number 13 Beloy, Long Beach, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City.
Check out the newest party place, Subiza Music Lounge at Shiban Seafront Resort and Hotel. Now open. Daily live bands with today's best DJs. Eat, drink, socialize. Open daily, 6 p.m. onwards. See you there.
Uy bro, may alam ka bang school for culinary studies? Bala ko kasi mag-enroll eh.
Well, alam mo ba na may CACS na sa Subic Bay Freeport?
CACS? Ano yun? Ngayon ko lang narinig yun ah.
Center for Asian Culinary Studies ang ibig sabihin nun.
Teka, yun yung nirekomenda sa akin ng mga kamag-anak ko.
Oo, yun nga. Kilala mo ba si Chef Ann Carlos, si Chef Mark Bernardino?
Oo naman.
Diyan sila graduate, pati ng iba pa tulad nila Chef Mark. Mga products sila ng CACS. Kita mo naman kung gaano sila ka-successful, di ba? Meron silang commercial cooking, bread and pastries, at may short courses pa sila na affordable.
Teka, test na-approve ba ang mga course nila?
Oo naman, di lang yan. Accredited pa sila ng US Veterans Affairs.
Mukhang maganda nga dyan ah. Nakapag-enroll ka na?
Di pa nga eh. Tara, sabay na tayo.
Sige.
CACS located at Unit 1-9 Dewey Avenue, CBD area, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. For more information, call 250-3172 or 0906-488-5028. Follow and like us on Facebook or email us at cacsubicbay@gmail.com. See you there!
89.5 worldwide. Heading out of Subic Bay for whatever reason?
Better make sure you packed the essentials. The best music,
Loving the variety. Oh, that's nice, and we can party to it.
the biggest artists.
We're Maroon 5.
This is Kelly Clarkson.
This is Michael Bublé.
Better not forget your smartphones.
Or your tablets.
Oh my God, yeah, so happy.
Take us wherever you go.
with the Ustream app.
Download for free. Free. At Ustream.tv. Ustream.tv.
Planning to go on a trip? Is it a solo trip with someone special, with friends, or perhaps the whole family? Or maybe you just need to accompany a loved one from or to the airport. Icons Rent-A-Car, your cheapest way to any destination, back and forth. Icons Rent-A-Car for all your transportation needs. Vans, Vios, Innova, and many more. Visit Icons Rent-A-Car at room 154, Rizal Avenue, East Tapinac, Olongapo City, or text call 0920-950-8243. Icons Rent-A-Car. Icons Rent-A-Car. Powered by Telepreneur Corporation. Avail our ongoing promo of 10+1 on all vehicle rentals.
Alam mo bang mapanganib ang pagsisiga, malapit o sa ilalim ng linya o poste ng kuryente ng National Grid Corporation of the Philippines o NGCP? Maaaring pagmulan nito na sunog at pagkaantala ng serbisyo ng kuryente. Ipinagbabawal din ang pagpapalipad ng saranggola malapit sa linya ng kuryente, maging ang pag-akyat sa mga tore o struktura ng kuryente. Pag-iingat ang kailangan upang aksidente ay maiwasan. Isang paalala, dahil pinahalagahan ng NGCP ang inyong kaligtasan. NGCP, Stronger Transmission for a Stronger Nation. Tumawag lamang sa NGCP hotline sa 072-700-2665 or 072-607-5749.
Subic Park Hotel. Subic Park Hotel. Choose from Subic Park Hotel's 30 guest rooms, standard, deluxe, and oceanfront, with free dinner, free Wi-Fi access, and free use of swimming pool. Subic Park Hotel also has a conference room for intimate business meetings or seminars, and a view ideal for a romantic sunset wedding by the beach. Come home to Subic Park Hotel, located at Moon Bay Marina, Waterfront Road, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Subic Park Hotel 10th Anniversary Blowout. Book now from February 1 to 28. Stay from June to October at 40% off with dinner. Receive your third night free on your straight stay this February. 20% off for walk-in guests this month. Enjoy the free-for-all Sunset Yoga. Sunset Yoga from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. at the beachfront of Subic Park Hotel. Everyone is invited. Just bring your own mats or towels. These treats and promos are not available online. For inquiries and reservations, please call 252-2092 up to 93 or mobile number 0917-806-5335. Subic Park Hotel, making family fun even easier.
I'm having a really, really, really good night.
The 2015 Grammys.
Dear Lord, thank you so much.
And the Grammy goes to Sam Smith.
Grammys on
89.5.
My Super Bay Radio.
Grammy winners today for Best Traditional Pop Album, Tony Bennett and Lady Gaga.
And the Grammy goes to Happy.
Pharrell Williams.
And the winner is, for Record of the Year, Sam Smith. Stay with me. Make some beautiful noise.
The 2015 Grammy winners play here.
And the Grammy goes to...
Florida's notorious producer is back.
Let you go pick Mr. 305.
Now playing.
Pitbull featuring Christina Aguilera. Feel this moment.
It makes me want to dance.
89.5.
Ask for money and get advice.